All right, welcome back. So today is our final day of working on multiplication as part of Envisions. Though we'll keep working on it, you've done some amazing work to get as far as you have, and we're going to move on from there pretty soon. So today's lesson is problem solving. We're really going to take some multiplication skills and we're going to actually apply them to some real life problems. So let's go ahead and get started. Today's lesson was working on multiplication problems, and we started off by just making sure we remembered the connection between a picture and a multiplication problem. Then you really just went on and spent most of your time solving these problems. So today we are going to just get into solving some more problems. So let's go ahead and get started. All right. So multiplication word problems are interesting because they usually involve some kind of problem where you have groups of something. So let's start out by me giving you your first problem. All right, so the first problem, I'm going to tell you a little story. This is my friend Kayla. This is Kayla. Kayla loves to hula hoop. I know, beautiful drawing, right? I mean, I do my best. Do a little thing, make sure you know that that's a hula hoop. She's doing circles. Kayla loves to hula hoop. Well, Kayla uses her hula hoops to collect apples. So Kayla has 6 hula hoops, and she goes apple picking. So here are 6 hula hoops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go ahead and draw those. So Kayla goes apple picking, and she picks a bunch of apples. I don't know how many apples she picks, but I know that she puts 5 in each hula hoop. So she's got 6 hula hoops and 5 in each hula hoop. Okay, so the question is, how many apples does she pick? So how many apples does she have? So go ahead and give that one a try. I want you to try it by first making a drawing, and then I want you to actually think about how this would be an array. Go ahead and pause the video and go ahead and work on it. All right, so welcome back. You worked on solving the problem. Maybe you figured it out. Let's talk about what the actual answer is here. So she's got 5 apples in each. So that means each one of these, there's 6 of them, each one is going to have 5. So let's give that a try. So let's start out by drawing the picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's 1. So far I've got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 2. So, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I drew the picture. Each hula hoop has 5 apples in it. So I'm thinking, what is my multiplication sentence here? It's blank times blank. Okay, so I know that I've got my groups times the number in each group. So let's see how many groups I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've got 6 times something. 6 times something. So I've got 6 times. Okay, and then there are apples, and this would be the number in each group. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's 5 in each group, so 6 times 5. So now the question is, what does it equal? Well, I know that I have groups of 5, so I can just count by 5s. So let's go ahead and count by 5s. You should do it on your drawing. I'll do it on mine. Count with me. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So 6 times 5 equals 30. Yeah, exactly. So what does that 30 mean? Take a minute to think to yourself, what does this actually mean? Okay, so you should be saying something along the lines of, well, 30 means that Kayla has 30 apples. So the last step that you need to do to solve this problem is to write your answer in a complete sentence. So I'm going to write Kayla has 30 apples. And I know that Kayla has 30 apples. So there we have it. All right. So now let's take a look at another problem. I'm going to give you a few more to solve on your own, and I want you to work to solve them. Let's go ahead back to our friend right here. Get a new page. All right. So I'm going to give you a couple of problems. Here is your second problem. Third, fourth, fifth. Okay. So I'm just going to write them out for you, and then you're going to solve them. So you can go ahead and get started. All right, so now that you've got the problems in front of you, take a look, go ahead and get started, and enjoy your evening.